In this video, I'm going to show you how to write off in CosmoLex. Now to do this, first you want to go to the left here on your dashboard and click on Matters. And from inside Matters, you want to click on the matter where you have your invoice. So I'm just going to click on over here. And then I'm going to go to Billing, which is one of these tabs over here. Should be the third one by default. And from here, you want to switch from time/expense to invoice. Now in here, as you can see, you can go to the very right and you want to click on the three dots over here, and from here you want to click on change or write off invoice. So just click on that, and then from here, of course, you can write off by clicking this write off full remaining balance amount over here, or you could go and manage things down here towards the bottom and then just click on the save button top right, and that's all you have to do. Now as you can see, in my case it says at least one write off allocation is required, so of course I would have to select the allocations down here, but that's essentially how you can do this. Okay, so I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.